Hi everyone, welcome to another live today. I hope all of you are enjoying your half term and what else? Enjoying the weather. It's really nice weather and also relaxing before preparing for 11 plus. So again, you can if you are disconnected, can you hear me first? Please let me know if you guys can hear me because couple of days there were a lot of problems because you guys were unable to hear me. Give me a thumbs up if you can hear me, then I can get started. If you can hear me, just give me a thumbs up. And as usual, you can find the yes, you can hear me. That's good. As usual, can you can find the description of this live the paper of the live in the description, and you could try doing it before coming to the live session, or you could stop anytime you think that you're struggling in. You could take out the printout and start doing the paper. And again, you could find the live sessions in three platforms. One is Amish's Learning Tuition page. Second is 11 plus ALT group. And third, the most famous one from all of you is our YouTube channel. And I want to share some good news with you guys that our YouTube channel has started making GCSE predicted papers videos also. So if your brother or sister are doing GCSEs, just subscribe to our channel because we are doing a lot of GCSE videos also. And as usual today, if you guys know, let's see how clever you are. Do you know what paper are we going to today? What are we going to do today? Any ideas? I have little cold. Sorry about that. My voice would be a little bad today. Hi Maria, I can see you said hi to me before also. Yes, you can hear me. That's good. And don't forget to like this video, guys, because you guys don't like the videos. You're doing the maths paper. Yes, you are. And the maths paper is quite easy. It's from Eltham College. It's 2022 paper. So they had this paper early in this year. So we will be doing that. Eltham College maths. Yeah, that's the one what we're doing. Anything else? Are you guys ready? Should we get started before wasting our time? And remember, I can also come to know how many of you participate in the live sessions, and we can have a prize in the end of the week to see that how many of you participated in the live sessions. And the live sessions will be today. Tomorrow we are coming. No, not tomorrow. It'll be on Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday. We are going to have live sessions. So don't forget to like the videos and be live in these live sessions. If you guys want, we can have another live session tomorrow in the morning. So it depends how many of you join today. So let's get started. Let me share my screen with you all because everyone looks like they all are happy. Let me see if I can share the screen. Okay, can you see the screen now? Or you want me to make it a little big? I think so, it's quite big now. Is it okay? Can you all hear, see the screen? Let's get started. I can see you're saying that let's get started. That's, yeah, we can. Just want to know that if you guys can see the screen. And if you can see the screen, let's get started then. So the first one is you need to add 28 plus 405 plus 324. So what do you think the answer is for the first one? And I'll see that some of you have already started giving me the answers. That's really good. It's 757. Let me take my favorite color, what all of you like. And if you don't know how to do long addition, this is the way you guys do it. You just keep doing all of that and then you write 28. And then Your answer is what everybody else is saying is 7, 5, 7. Let me just put some of the answers. So the next one is now you are subtracting 2767, sorry, 65 minus 1879, 1879. 886. Good. That's the answer for the second one. And if you don't know how to do long division, it's really easy to do it. You write and down. You can't get that. It borrows. That becomes 16. This becomes 15. This would happen when you keep borrowing, and your answer would be 8, 8, 6. And the next one now is 837 multiply by 7. So you need to know your tables really good in this one. So what do you think the answer would be for this one now? Seven sevens are. So you need to know your tables really well. Let's see what you all get for this one. Seven sevens are 49. And you take away 4. Let's do it. Oh, sorry, we are on number 3. I don't know which one was I doing. Oh, yeah, we were doing this one. 7 sevens are 14, 49. 9, take away 4. And then you have 3 multiplied by 7 is 21. Plus you have 4. That will be 25. 5, take away 2. And then in the end, you'll have 5859 would be your answer. Did you guys get this answer for this one? Yes, you did. 5859. And the next one is, everybody gets confused with when you have 2 digits to multiply. 2 8s are 16. 6 carry over 1. 5 4s are 40. Plus 1 is 41. And you carry over 4 goes here. Then you have 4 multiplied by 8 is 32. Plus you have 4 on the top. That's 36. Don't forget to write your 0, which is everybody forgets. Then you have 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. 5 threes are 15. 5 carry over 1. 4 threes are 12. And then you have another one, that's 13. So that's 6, 7, 11, 11. Let me see what answer everybody's getting, because I think so the answer what they have written here is wrong. It's 17176. Yeah, that's the one. and 6, and you have 1 on the top. That's 7. And you have another 1 here. So it's 1, 7, 1. 7, 6 is the answer for this one. So you have to do a long multiplication, and don't forget to write your zeros. What I've seen, everybody forgets to write the 0 in the second one. So now we are on number E. In number E, you have to do you could do your bus stop method, or you could do a different method. That's 1107 divided by 9. 123, that's good. So you have 1107 divided by 9. Closest to 11 in 9's table is 9. You get 9, then you get a 2. You take a 0. The closest to it is 18. You get 2. 18. 2 left over. You take your 7 down. That's 27. That gives you a 3's table. And then that's your answer. So your answer for number E is 123. The next one now, it's 15. I'll do it here. 1599 divided by 13. You need to know your 13's table really well. The closest is 1. That's 13. Gives you 2. You get your 9 down. That's 29. Closest will be a 2. That would be a 26. You get 3 as your remainder. Then you get 9 here. And 13 multiplied by 3 is 39. So that goes. So your answer for this one is 123. Did you guys get this answer? Yes, you did. Let me just get some of your answers on the top. So now we are on the second part of this. In the second part, you need to work out 14.7 plus 5.3 divided by 4. Let me see if you guys get the answer for this one. In this way, if you have something like this, I would say first try doing the brackets. So first try doing 14 plus 7 plus 5.3. Try adding them up. You will get 20 in that. And then it'll make your life a little easier. Then you are just dividing 20 divided by 4, and that is 5. So that's your answer. Next one now. 8.4 multiplied by 5 minus 3.9. So if you get confused with something like this, try making brackets like that so that you could do it easily, so that you don't get confused. And when you multiply 8.4 multiplied by 5, you would get 42. And you're just minusing 42 minus 3.9. That would give your answer. So when you do this, you would get the answer as 38.1. Don't forget about your decimals, because if you forget to do your decimals, you will get a 0 in your 11 plus. . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . Good. So the next one now is 6 multiplied by 2.4 plus 24 multiplied by. So I'll put the brackets to make it easier so that you guys don't get confused. Always try putting a brackets in there like that so that you don't get confused. So first you are multiplying 6 multiplied by 2.4, and if you look at that, that's the same way 24 multiplied by 0.6. You will get the same answer in both of them. So when you do this, you would get 14.4 minus 14.4, and obviously your answer for this one would be a big 0. Your answer is a 0 for that one. For number C, the ones who are writing it wrong, all of you writing it wrong, just try it the way I've done it, and then you would get this answer as 0. So the next one is now, let's go on to the next one. That's 10% of 900. The way of doing it, you write it like that: 10 over 100 multiplied by 90. I will cancel 1 0 to 0, another 0 to 0, and the easy way, you got my answer as 9. Oh, it's adding. Sorry, I subtracted it. The answers what they have given in the previous one is subtraction. Sorry about that. You are adding it, you're not subtracting it. So your answer, what you all are writing, is right. Let me rub it out. I minus it instead of adding it. So your answer would be, for the previous one, 28.8. That's your answer. So the answer for C is this, but we are adding it, we are not subtracting it. So that's why my answer was with subtraction was wrong. So let's do the second one now. Is 5% of 90. So 5% of 90 is 5 by 100 multiply by 90. 0 to 0 gone. I can make this easier. That's 1 by 2. So I have 1 by 2 multiply by 9. That's what am I doing? Let me just do this one again. I'm just confusing everyone. Let me do it. You just do it. 5 you do it 5 by 100. I'll do it in the proper way. multiply by 90. Your 0 to 0 is gone. And I will multiply this to make it easier because some of you are doing like that. So it will be 25 divided by 10. And when you do that more, try simplifying this. When you do it, you can also try putting the decimals in that. That would be 4.5. So your answer would be 4.5. And the next one is 1% of 90. 1% of 90 is 1 by 100 multiply by 90. 0 to 0 gone. Try multiplying this. You have 90 over 10. Sorry, 9 over 10. So you can try putting that as a decimal. We have done the decimals. That would be 0.9. Now the next is they're asking you, use your answer to part A to find 47% of 90. Part A, if you look at part A, is 10% of 90. Then you have 5% of 90. Then you have 1% of 90. So they are telling you use the answers of part A. So you're using all the answers on this part to find 47% of 90. So what would you get your answer as? 42.3. Good. So basically in this one, what you guys are doing, you're doing 4 multiplied by 10% of 90. Let me rub this out and let me use a razor. So it'll be easy for you all to understand what we're doing. So you're doing 4 multiplied by 10% of 90. You're adding that up from 5% of 90. Then you're adding 2 in it. Multiply by 1%. 1% of 90. So after that you will get 4 multiply by, you're just writing the answers what you got in the previous one. Remember what you got in the previous one. You just need to copy all the answers in this one. Then you'll get 36 plus 4.5 plus 1.8. And in the end, you will get your answer 42.3. So wrote for the ones who didn't know what we were doing. So let's move on to the next one now. The next one is they are saying a shape can be made by joining squares together so the edges touch. Here are two different shapes. So you have shape 1 and shape 2. So these shapes both have a parameter of 12. So all the parameter of these two shapes are parameter of 12. Write down the area of each shape. So to do that, just try making your life easier. Write this as A, write this as B, this is your C, this is your D. And the next one, this would be your A, this is your B, C, and D. This is your E here, your F here, G, H, I, and J. So now I have numbered them. Now what they're asking you, write down the area of each shape. So shape A. So if you look at shape A, that would be 2 multiplied by 1 plus 1 multiplied by 2 plus, okay, let's do it. Let me just use I'm writing for this one here, okay? So this is my shape A. So area of shape 1 will be area of A, B, F, J plus area of C, D, E, F plus area of F, G, and H, I. That would be equal to, just try putting the bracket so you don't get, this is the area of this. I'll write it here now. So you would do it 2 multiply by 1 plus 1 multiply by 2 plus 1 multiply by 1. So you would get 2 plus 2 plus 1, that equals to 5 units. So this is the area of your first one. Let me see if you guys found the area of the first one. So this is your area of the first one. Now you have to find the area of the second one. The second one is really easy. You just need to do AB multiply by BC. That would give you the area of the second shape. So finding the area of the second shape is easier than finding the area of the first one. So the area of the second shape is really easy. You could just do it AB multiply by BC. That is 4 multiplied by 2. That gives you 8. That's 8 units. So that's the area of the second one. And the next one, what they're asking you now, let's do. They are saying draw a different shape with a perimeter of 12. So you have to draw a different shape with a perimeter of 12. So I would do it like this, then like this, 2, 3, and you have one here, and one goes here, and the last one will go here. So this is a shape of the perimeter of 12. And the next they are asking, this is you would draw the shape with a perimeter of 12, what they're asking you. And the next one, what they're asking you is draw a shape with an area of 12 and a perimeter of 16. It'll go like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 again this side. 2, 3, 4, and you'll have 4 this side. So this is, you would draw a shape like this to have the area of 12 and a perimeter of 16, and you could double check to see that your answer is right. Okay, now question number 5. They are saying find the list below, circle all the numbers that are the factors of 36. So you need to tell me all the factors of 36 here. So which one should I circle now? So you need to circle all the factors of 36 in this one. Can you all tell me all the factors of 36? So I will circle 1, 9. What else should I circle? I've circled 2 for you guys. What all can I circle now? I'm not getting the answers. Everyone looks so quiet today. Good. 36. Keep going. There are more factors. What else could I circle? 3. Yes, you're right. I'll circle 3. Let's circle 3. What else should I circle? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. You did really well. So let's see, I've circled all of them. You circled 12. You circled 18. You circled 4. You circled 6. 36 I've done. You circled 2. That's it. So all of these are the factors of 36. And the next one, what they're telling you is write down the factors of 20. So you need to write down the factors of 20 now. So 20 equals to 1 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. So factors of 20 will be equal to 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20 itself. So have you guys written this with all the factors of 20? So these are all the factors of 20. And the next one is, they are saying now, write down all the factors of 20 and 26 in the Venn diagram. So when you have factors of 20, remember what we did first. You will write 5 here, 10 here, and 20 here. And here you'll write 3, 6, 9, 12, 18, and 36. And in the middle, you always write the common factors. It's 1, 2, and 4. So I hope you guys understand what we just did. Now they're asking you, what is the highest common factor of 20 and 26? So you guys need to know how to find the HCF first. So first you will 20. 20 is 1 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. And 36 is 1 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 and multiplied by 3 again. So if you look at this, here you go. So the highest common factor for both of them is 4. Then 4 multiplied by 1 is 4 and 4. So the common is 4. All of you got it right. Well done. Now number E, what are they saying? Number E's, they are saying the lowest common multiple of two numbers can be using the following method. Multiply the two numbers together. Divide the answer by the highest common factor. Use this method to find the lowest common multiple of 20 and 26. So what they're telling you, we have to do that way. This is a way how you would be doing it. By 4, that equals to 7. 20 by 4, you have to divide it again. And what answer would you get? Is 180. So they are saying the lowest common multiple of 20 and 36 would be 180. Did you guys get that? That is 180. So now we are on number 26. Number 6 now. In number 6, they are saying the hour and minutes hands of a clock make an angle. So if you look at this, this makes an angle. The size of the angle depends on the time that the clock is showing. So what is the obtuse angle between the hand at 8 o'clock? So what is it? So the first question is, what is the obtuse angle? So you know that obtuse angle is something which all of them are 180. So 180 obtuse angle. As we know that, how many minutes are there? As we know that there are 60 minutes equals to 360. So how much is 1 minute equal to? 1 minute equals to 6. So for 8 o'clock, you guys just have to multiply 20 multiplied by 6. That gives you 120. An obtuse angle is the angle where any angle is greater than 90 degrees. Straight angle, and a straight angle is the one which is 180 degrees. So this is the way how would you find the first one. Ours 120 degrees. Yeah. So number 2, they're asking you, give one time when the angle between the hands will be exactly 90 degrees. So 90 degrees is, you know that a 90 degrees angle is something like this. That's a 90 degrees. So now what they're telling you is, give a time, one time when the angle between the hands will be exactly 90 degrees. So this has to be exactly 90 degrees. So basically, you know that 360 equals to 60 minutes. And you also know that 6 equals to 1 minute. So you would just do it 6 multiplied by 15 multiply by 15 and then multiply by 1 minute. So your 90 minutes equals to 50 minutes. Possible time for 90 minutes between minutes and hands, I think so could be 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Or you could just do it yourself. Look at this. Could be 3, 6 and 9. You could just do a guesswork in this one also. Then doing such a big calculation. So it would be 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock and at 9 o'clock. And the next one is they're asking you the angle between the hour number 3 now. Let's see, it's number 3 and you have a number D. So number 3, what they're asking you now, they are saying the angle between the hour and the minute hand is exactly 60 minutes. What time could the clock be showing? So now you know that 360 equals to 60 minutes and 6 equals to 1 minute. So you just need to multiply 6 multiply by 10, that equals to 10 multiply by 1 minute, and that would be 60 equals to 10 minutes. And what they're asking you exactly is what time could the clock be showing? The clock possible time for 60, the clock would be showing, possible time the clock could be showing is 10 o'clock or 2 o'clock. So if you got your answer 10 or 2 o'clock, your answer is absolutely right. It cannot be 11 o'clock, it's 10 or 2 o'clock. And the next one now, number D, they are saying at 11 o'clock, the angle between the hands is exactly 30 degrees. What's the next time when the angle between the hands will be exactly 30 degrees? This question is very common. I've seen this question coming all the time. So we'll do the first step again. 360 equals to 60 and 6 equals to 1 minute. So we'll just do it. 6 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5, that gives you 5 multiplied by 1, and this is 30 equals to 5 minutes. So possible time 30 between the hands would be 11 o'clock. I saw someone of you had given the answer as 11 o'clock, 11 o'clock or 1 o'clock. This was really bad question, I know. So let's go on the next one now. Number 7, they are saying follow the clues to find the mystery number from the list below. The number has 2 digits. Both the digits are even. The digit in the tens place is greater than the digit in the one place. The 1 digit is not the 3 times table. The 10 digit is not double the 1 digit. The sum of the 2 digit is a multiple of is the multiple of 5. So you have to think about the statement, what they're asking you. And after you look at the statement, we have to think about, let's make a, let me just make it properly so that you all can understand it. So I'm making it here for you all. And this is according to the statement. I will just write the numbers, okay? Possible numbers, and this is to the statement. So what does the statement say? Let's go with each number. So they're saying the number has 2 digits. So with the first one, I'm going with the first one. It says the number has 2 digits. So the number could be 18, could be 86, could be 42, could be 64 also, could be 80, could be 22, or could be 83. So all the numbers are here. So the second, what they're asking you in the statement, number 2 in the statement, they are saying both the digits are even. So now we will write 2 statements. Both the digits are even and the digits in the tens place is greater than the digit in one place. So number 2 and 3 you will write it down. That could be 86, 42, 46, 64, 80 and 22. Next statement now, 1, 2, 3 and 4, we'll add all of them. And then if I do all of them, just look at all of them, then I will write it down. The 1 digit is not the 3-digit table. So I'm doing 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4, all of them together. You will get 42, 64 and 80. And the next one is, I'm doing 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 all together. That would be 64 and 80. If I take all together, the sum of two digit is multiple of 5. You write all of them together and my answer would be 64. So my possible answer for it would be a 64. Try making a table and keep writing it down all the way to get your mystery answer. Number, not answer, sorry. Yeah. Four bags contain a large number of 1s, 2s, 3s, 5s and 7. Pick any 10 numbers from the bag above so that the total is 37. So you could write as many as you could. There are different answers. 1 plus 1 plus 1 multiply by 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 5 plus 7 plus 7 and plus 7. Remember, whatever numbers you take, your total should be equal to 37. So there are different answers for this one. You all can take as many as you want. There can be different answers for this one. So we are on number 9 now. Number 9, they are asking, I was exploring a puzzle in which the headless matchsticks had to be moved to make a different number of triangles. I made a one small triangle 3. I made into 8. I added another row to make the next step in the pattern and counted the number of small triangles and counted the matches. How many small triangles are in the next shape in the pattern? So if you look at this has 1, 3, I'm just you need to add this up. Look at this one. If I look at this one, this has 3. This one has 9. And if you look at, if you make another one, that also will be 9. So it will be something like this. Is bad. Remember that. So it'll be some, I don't know how to draw. My drawing is really bad. You just draw as many as they are. The answer, oh, I could do with this. Wait, let me try doing with this if I can. Let me just remove this one. So it's something like this. You just add the ones, the top ones. You have 9 here. You'll have 9 here, 3 here. They are saying how many matches are there in the next pattern. So if you look at this, how many are in the next pattern? The next pattern would be, I'll tell you, this one has 9, this has 3, and the one what you will make will have a 9. And then how many matches are the next pattern? Your answer would be 18. So your 18 matches. You have to just draw it. Try drawing it. For this one, my drawing is bad, so I could not do it. But this is the way. How would you do it? Yeah, it's 8. It's 18. You just add all of them up. So number 10 now, we are almost done. Number 10, they are saying you have to solve the equation in the number by each letter. So if you have something like this, you just write S, and when that goes that side, if it's multiply here, that side it becomes divide. So you will just do it 90 divided by 15 to get your answer, and that would be a 6. I'm just doing it a little fast because you guys must be hungry now. And the next one is 2t plus 18 equals to 78. First try making the 18 go that side. So if your 18 goes that side, that will change signs. That will become minus instead of plus. So the sign changes when it goes that way. And then you have 5t equals to 60. And when your 5 goes this side, the sign changes, it becomes 5. And then your answer for this one would be a 12. And the next one is 3 by 2 by 3 minus 3 equals to 22. Try getting the 3 the other side as I told you before. So when your 3 goes the other side, the 3 becomes and. So that would be 3 2 equals to 25. And now we have to get the 2 that side. So it's divide. Instead of divide, it will become multiply. So 25 multiply by 2. That will give you guys the answer as 50. Good. So let's move on to the next one now. We are almost done. Number 11 is, they're just asking you to put the symbols to get the answer. So the symbols what you'll put here is 1 plus 3 multiply by 5 plus 7 gives you 27. And in the next one, the symbol what you will put is 1 multiply by 3 multiply by 5. Let's put them in brackets. Minus 7 gives you 8. And the last one in this one again will be 1 multiply by 3 1 plus 3 plus 5 and multiply by 7. So the ones like this will be here. I hope you guys got this one. You just need to put the signs for this one to give you the answer. And number 12 now. They are saying Katie had to pick out 20 cards numbered from 1 to 20. She shared the cards into 6 unequal piles. The number on the cards in each piles added to the same total. What was the total and how could it be done? So some of the numbers, let's look at the combinations what I could make. So some of the numbers from 1 to 20 is 120. So let's use our text box for explaining you guys. Sum of numbers equals to numbers 1 to 20 equals to 210. So we need, how many equal parts do you guys need? You need 6 equal parts. So it's 210 divided by 6, that gives you 35. So you have to make the combination in which each of them should be 35, because they are asking you for 6 different combinations for that. So your first one would be 20 plus 15. Your second would be 19 plus 16. You have to think about 6 different combinations. Your third will be 18 plus 17. Your fourth would be 14 plus 13 plus 8, and your fifth would be 12 plus 11 plus 7 plus 5, and your sixth would be 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus 9 and plus 10. So you have to use all these numbers which are given on the top to give the combinations. And your combinations should be equal to 35. So all your combinations should be equal to 35. And how did we get 210? When you add this up, you will get 210 and then you divide it by 6. Because how many combinations they are asking you? They're asking you 6 combinations. So you have to divide it by 6 to get the answer. And when you divide it by 6, you got 35, and then you have to make 6 different combinations, what they're asking you. Now we are on the last question, what they're asking you guys. Let's do the last one now. In the last one, they are saying in the 2 multiplied by 2 multiplication, square number, the boxes at the end of each number and the foot of each column give the result of multiplying the two numbers in the row of columns. The 3, so this is given to you, the 3 into 3 multiplication square below works in the same way. The boxes at the end of each row and the foot of each column give the results of multiplying the number in the row of columns. In numbers 1 to 9 may be used once and once only. Can you work out the arrangements of the digits in the squares so that the given products are correct? So you have to, basically what are they asking you here? They are telling you work out arrangements of the digits in the squares so that the given products are correct. So again you have to give me, remember this is your first is 15, second is 108, next is 224. So you have to work this out this way. So let's do it then. Again, I will use a text box for you guys. So your first row, your first will be 1. You have to multiply so that your sum is equal to 15. Equals to 15. The second one is, your second row would be 6. Multiply by 2. Multiply by 9 because you need 108. The next one would be your third one. Your third one would be 8. Multiply by 4. Multiply by 7. that equals to 224. Now, you have worked all of these out. Now you need to work out this one. And what else can you work out? You need to work out this one also here. So you need to work out second and third rows in this. So let's work out the second row in this one. First row, first column. We need to work out the first column first. Your first column will be 3 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 8, and your answer needs to be 144. This should be first, sorry. This should be your first one. Then you have to work out the second one now. So your second column will be 1 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 4, that equals to 8. And my third column will be 5 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 7 equals to 15. So basically you have worked out all the columns here. If you look at this, what they're asking you. So all the columns have been worked out, the missing columns. And we also have used all of them . So this is how you have to do it. Read the question carefully in the end because I did in a hurry. You have to use them only once. So your second one, first one, second one. So this is your first one we worked out, and this is the second one how we worked out. So we are done for today. Try reading the question carefully, all of you. And then you can see, I can put it here so that because you guys are getting a little confused, let me just put it here. What we put it. This is 3, 1, 5, 6, 2, 9, 8, 4, 7. And the top one is already given to you. So this is what we have done. If you guys look at this when you go back, I've done it for you a little easier because I did in a hurry so that you guys understand it now. That makes more sense, right? Okay, we are done for today. Let me stop sharing the screen now. So we are done for today. And I'll see you guys back on a Wednesday now. I'll see you guys back on a Wednesday. And don't forget to it'll be verbal reasoning on Wednesday. So don't forget to join at 12 again on Wednesday. And try watching this video again because the last ones I did in a hurry. So if you guys didn't understand, just try doing it again. And I'll see you guys back on a Wednesday. Keep enjoying your half term. Then keep on studying all the time. And I'll see you back on it Wednesday now. Bye, everyone.